Hi everyone, welcome to Mac's Art Place. I'm Marlene Ashworth Cosand, or Mac. I hope this finds everyone well and healthy with this virus that's going around. It's really scary. Today I thought I would do a open cup. I think I've tried one once before and it wasn't too successful. So we're going to try it again. I think I'll use the Dollar Tree white on the bottom. And I'm going to use the gold mica powder, Deco's Crystal Green Metallic, a blue-green that I've mixed up myself. And when I mix anything, it's usually 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Unless it's the more liquid ones, then I use 1:1. I have Deco Rose Gold Extreme Sheen and Deco Arts Peacock Pearl and Artez's Pearl Sea Green, a Sky Blue, which I've mixed up myself, and Artez's Violet with Floetrol. So we're going to give this a try. Don't touch my face. It's pretty hard to remember not to touch your face. Okay, see you in a few. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I've taped the bottom and I'm just resting it on those little dog food containers that I like. And here is the Dollar Tree white, and I don't have the patience to wait until it pours all over, and I see lots of bubbles in it from shaking it up. So where is my, here it is. This is my here it is. Ha 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 ha, just trying to create some levity. I saw a video from some of my second cousins. I'm kind of the oldest one in the cousin routine, and a lot of them have passed away, so their children had a video on YouTube yesterday, and I don't usually go on YouTube, but this was so funny because it reminds me of the kind of sense of humor I experienced when I was growing up. So this girl calls her husband, his name's Bill. She says, Bill, hurry up, come on in. There's water coming out of the bathroom. And so you saw the picture of the bathroom with the potty, and in front of the potty there's a row of water bottles coming out of the bathroom. I thought that was so funny. So that's the kind of stuff I grew up with. Kind of miss it, so many people are gone. Here's my cup. I'm going to put it in the middle. And let's see, I'll start out with green. And my gold on top of the green. Some blue. Some of, get off there, some of my sky blue I mixed. bit of green. I see that needs to be cleaned. Gold. Peacock. Well, what's coming out looks kind of interesting. I think this last go around will probably be enough. I guess I'm going to have to pick up the cup. Get the lid out of the way or I'll wind up with paint on there too. I need to get, this is what I need. Yeah. Switch hands. Get some of that purple off. I like the purple, but I think there's too much on there. So we're trying to stretch some of that purple off. There you go. I stretched it down. Trying to, I need some of that white off on the bottom or the side. There's a little bit on the side. I think a little bit is okay. What a mess. I gotta move this whole room around because we're having some people do some work in the basement. Well, I think that white's okay because there's some white up here. So, what a mess. Probably got it on me too. I like the color combination. It's very interesting. We gotta wash this off. I can see one of my rocks over here. Well, I kind of like that composition, the color combination. I'll take you down for a look-see. So here's the whole 12 by 12 piece. Where it focuses. And I still gotta do the air gun thing. Well, there's not too much of one color, so I think it's pretty good. I don't know what you guys think, but you certainly can let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye.